Now that we've created a visualization of your data, you might have been wondering how we can tell if the results are meaningful or if they're just the result of random chance. Scientists will often analyze their data to check for statistical significance. There are different tests or calculations you can do to help you understand if the data is likely to be accurate or influenced by random variation. When someone says that data was statistically significant, it means that the odds are very good that the results were due to real differences between treatments and didn't just happen by chance. One test of statistical significance that we can add to our graphs in Google Sheets is standard deviation. The standard deviation tells us how far individual data points were from the mean. This test shows us how much variation there is in our data. If there are a lot of variations, that could be a sign that the results were more due to random chance than they were due to our experimental treatments. But if there wasn't a lot of variation between the different data points in a group, and we can see that they are clustered closely together, that means it was more likely that the difference we see between the two averages are the results of real differences between experimental treatments. To show you what this might look like in our graphs in Google Sheets, let's move on to the next slide.